Some aluminum scraps, pliers to cut them because you need a lot of them, drill, then you need a glue gun just for safety, some fittings, nuts, fasteners, special ingredient, tube, and jars. The bigger, the better. So let's start. So first, let's start by drilling a hole because you will need it for the gases. That should be okay, I think. After you drilled the hole, you'll have to screw it inside like this somehow, just right. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you'll have the glue because you'll need it to make it tight. See, like this. And just like that, repeat the process 3 times because you will need it. Then just to be sure that it's tight, you'll have to put some glue gun. Just use the glue gun a bit, just to make it tight. There, opala. Then out. Hey, it's with nice glitter, right? It's Christmas today. So the second. Screwed in perfectly. So in the third jar, we will need 2 holes. So first and the second. Don't worry, it has a plastic lid inside. So after a bit of struggle, we already have the 2 fittings. We just have to make them tight. And then you have it. This is most important. It has 2 fittings because one is going, the entire gases are going inside, and then on the other one, the entire gases will come out, and then you will have filtration through water. So the third jar is the most important because it has 2 fittings. On one side, the gas will enter inside and there will be water. And on the other side, they will escape. So we use the water filtration system. It's like hood. But yeah, you will see. So in the third jar, you will have to insert on one side a tube. Just measure it close to length. Then cut it off. Now that we cut it off, so you just open the jar and you will use a hole. Just push it tightly inside. And it should look like this. Then you insert it, and the role of the pipe, it's just to filtrate the entire gases to be cleaner, smoother, better. Let's say like this. So now we have the 3 jars. Now we'll have to use this one because from both of them they will produce in one. So you need more power. Depends on what you're willing to use. I don't know what I have home, but we'll find something. So you will have to use a T-shape. We'll have to have the pipe. So this one will go to this one, and this one will go to this one with the splitter with the T-shape pipe. So let's start making the pipes, right? So you will have to choose a length. They don't have to be that long. It doesn't have to be symmetrical or something like that. Just cut them. So this one will go inside and this one, oh, if we manage to push it inside, then this end will go to this end. Oh, if it's going inside, yeah, it went inside. Then We will repeat the entire process from this one, for example, from this jar to this, the second jar to this. Then you're close to be finished with everything. And by the way, let's not forget about the fasteners. Don't be like me, use the fasteners. So the end product should look like this type of a contraption. So these two will have the aluminum and the special chemical inside that will dissolve when they produce gas. Through this hole, pipes will come in this T-shaped pipe, and then from there will go in the, let's call it bubbler, because it will filtrate the entire gases through water, and then we'll have clean gas on the end. So that's how you make them. Now let's do the fuel, let's say the fuel. So I'm using those pieces of aluminum scraps because they are lying around there and I don't need them. I cut them to small sizes and then we'll tie them together, and this is our fuel officially. It sounds funny, but yeah, you will see that we have our scraps, right? It's like half in one side, half in one side. Those are the fuel cells, let's say it like that. You have to take a piece of wire, cut it to length, and then just you have to tie them together. So before the solution, they should look like this. So the wire is just to be able to take it out easily if you don't want to waste the solution. It's really inexpensive, it's just caustic soda, high concentrated. And so now for the fun part, you'll need a spoon. The jars are already full with water, you see, water for the bubbler, and the other ones are like, I don't know. So, and now you will use it, and it looks like this. Place them inside. The more the better. Don't inhale this because it's not the best for you. So now we start mixing the solution. You have to mix it extremely, that all the flakes are dissolving. It will take a while, but it will be perfect. And by the way, use gloves, glasses and everything. Now let's close first the main jar, this one. Okay, and now we'll commence. Ooh, nice worm. So take this, place it inside. This also inside. And they will produce the gas now. Oh, done. See, this is the reaction that you're looking. It's pure gas. You make the fork. They will produce bubbles there. We'll see soon bubbles there. So after it starts working normally, normally the experiment will end here, because the end result is like this. Free gas. I don't know. So don't try this at home. This is stupid. Don't do it. It was just a science experiment, so you see how it works, if it works, through chemistry. Fire through chemistry. Water, pipes, jars, aluminum, and you have it. Toy.